welcome to our 4th class social session. In that last session we have to completed our 1.3 worksheet total. Now we have to go 1.2 application changes of the family, application book, worksheet number 1.4, page number 7. See, look here, we have to up to here we have to finish. Now we have to go into this worksheet number 1.4, page number 7. That I wrote only answer in here. See, look at and observe. I wrote only answer. First answer. Question is, our lifestyle has undergone a changes in earlier times. Describe any two changes. What are the changes earlier times and now? What are the changes are there? We have to see the answer. The changes of families, it is reflect on our family. What is that? We have to change our family. It is reflect on our family. One is that food habits. One is that food habits. Second one is that working style. Third one is the clothes we wear. What is that? The changes of families. It is reflect on our family. Food habits, working style, and the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Yes, we have to change into the joint family that who are preparing food, that 2 types or 3 types of food are preparing and they have to take the food. In our own nuclear family, what we like, the mother will cook and she serve to us. What is the what we like, she can cook the food. And working style, which one we are interested to do the works we can do. And the clothes we wear, in the traditional going on earlier times, they have to, the lifestyle is the types of clothes we wear. Now is moderate, we have to go into different types of dresses we can wear. This answer is that changes of our families, it is reflect on our family, food habits, working styles, and the clothes we wear. Second question, I wrote here only answer. See, look at here. What has been helping the families to stay connected with each other? What has been helping the families to stay connected with each other? What is that? See, look at the answer. Second question over answer. Helping in the families to stay connected with each other. The use of smartphones. People can do video calls, voice calls, and share picture messages with each other. Those who are living far to our house, grandparents, uncles, aunties, we are connected with the smartphones by the video calls, voice calls, pictures, messaging to them. We have to every day, every time we have to connected with our relations. That helping the families to stay connected with each other. The use of smartphones. People can do video calls, voice calls, and share picture messages with each other. Over. Second answer also over. Okay now. First answer also over. I wrote only answer and I am repeating the question on the board and saying to you, and I read it that answer on the board should complete. After second question also I read it. Here it is there the second answer. Then we have to complete it second answer. Now we are going to third question. See, look here. Third question. Do you think the changes from the joint to the nuclear family is good change? Why or why not? See, what is the changes joint family to we are going to nuclear family? Is it good? Then some people are saying very good, yes. Some people are saying no. Because of that joint family, so many family members are there. Our children, while we are going to work, the children look after their grandparents. Now nuclear family, we are going to work, so who will take care of our children? That is the major point of this nuclear family. Say, look at here, third answer. Nuclear family does not have the support of their family, of other family. family members, other family members who can share their household chores, means works, whatever the helpings. Nuclear family does not have the support of other family members who can share their household chores. This is the third answer. Once again I am repeating. Do you think the change from the joint to nuclear family is a good change? Why or why not? It is good, but nuclear family does not have support of other family members who can share their household chores. Now we have to go. Now we are going to next question. Fourth question. We are also going. Fourth question. Find out any two ways in which family members did their chores home when electrical appliances were not there. Were not there. Were not there. See, find out two ways. Any two ways. What is that? When we want to wash the clothes, we use electrical appliance, washing machine. Here I knows washing machine, that mother will wash the clothes. Micro oven, we have to baking the books, things, the food items, she can make it. Vacuum cleaner, cleaning, dust removing, mother will, when she was free, she can do. These are the three ways I wrote on the board. See, find out any two ways family members did not their chores. At the home electrical appliances were not there. So electrical appliances లేనప్పుడు ఎవరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఏంటి అవి వర్క్స్? Say, see, washing machine for that washing clothes, micro oven for the baking items, food items, mother will prepare it, vacuum cleaner, that is the cleaning of dust, sofas, and floor cleaner, that is that mother will do the electrical appliances. With not are there also, we can do our works. Then fifth question, why should we depend on home appliances completely? Why should we not depend on the home appliances completely? Why? Because this dependency makes us inactive and lazy. Which dependency? That home appliances. We should do work ourselves. Then we can do our work ourselves. We are not dependent on these appliances for work. We are not dependent on these works. Which works? For washing machine, micro oven, vacuum cleaner, mixer, grinder, juicer. These all we not depend on these home appliances for the works, because it makes us too inactive and lazy. Then we have to do our work with ourselves only. Then it is not good for health also. It is not our health purpose also. We have to going to fall sick. Then when we are free, we can do ourselves without home appliances. When we most needed, in the time of we can't do, that time we can use these electrical appliances. And it is that up to here we have to complete it. First worksheet 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Up to here we have to complete it. See here some B bit is there. Draw one home appliances that you like. Why do you like it? You can draw the home appliances. And why the home appliance you most like? ఎందుకు నీకు ఆ హోమ్ అప్లయన్స్ అంటే ఇష్టము? హోమ్ అప్లయన్స్ తెలుసు కదా, వాషింగ్ మిషన్, మైక్రో ఓవెన్, వ్యాక్యూమ్ క్లీనర్, మిక్సర్, గ్రైండర్, ఓవెన్, మైక్రో ఓవెన్. These are no. Which home appliances do you like? Why you like the home appliances? Should draw the picture first. You should draw the picture. After that, why you interested the picture, why you like the home appliances, write in few two lines about it. And one last but not least, children, you should buy the textbooks, otherwise you can't get the application book. What the application book is that contained that question answers, bits, match the following, fill in the blanks, all things are there in that book. And if we are giving the notes from the WhatsApp group, I am sending the answers. This group should write one by one worksheet and finish. After, you should send with our WhatsApp group the finishing answers, and we have to check once again to the books, and you should write the answers clearly, one page, one word to another word with finger gap, and you should write neatly handwriting with the pencil. Okay na children? Then should buy the textbooks. By the 1 week only it is here in itself. Afterwards it is going to return the place where they have to came. Okay na children? Should compulsory buy the textbooks. Thank you.